In this tutorial, I'll show you how to see the size of a variable in Workspace. Okay, here for a individual variable, you have to type W is OS and type variable name. Here I'm choosing variable as x1. Hit enter. You can see here size, bytes, and class is showing here. And if I want to see all the variable size, for that first I have to save the workspace. Okay, for that I am type save and name like b.mat. Okay, so, this will save all the variable present in workspace. Hit enter. Okay, b.mat. And if you type w is os and file and your file name b.mat. Okay, now you can see all the variable name and is size, byte, and class are showing here. So this is the process